You're under arrest.
Sir, I'm gonna get in the car.
Ma'am, get in the car.
No, sir. Listen to me.
It's just my birthday.
Yeah, get in the car. You're gonna be under arrest too. I got plenty of handcuffs, okay?
Hold on, wait. I know my mother.
Get in the car.
Okay,
Just sit in the car.
you're scary, but you're doing all this and that. What's up?
All right, get over here.
Oh my
Get over here.
What'd I
You
do?
just made a fist. Get out of here.
No, I didn't. I
Drop your
was.
phone. I've told you several times.
On November 16th, just past 3:30 a.m., Ohio State troopers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle that was driving erratically. Following the stop, the driver and several other individuals at the scene were taken into custody. Here is why.
How you doing tonight? Hello. Hey, driver. Hey, because you got you stopped, varying speeds, driving over the line and weaving. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just.
We ready to get home.
I got you. You got your license, insurance, registration with you?
I think CC got my license. Can you take my social security number?
I can pull it up outside. Hey, where you guys coming from tonight?
We coming from Cleveland.
Cleveland? Were you guys pulled over on the side of the road or something?
Yeah, we was because I was looking for my phone.
I got you. Okay, because when I first got behind you guys, I swore you were going like 40 miles an hour, and then as we got over here, we were going almost 80.
Yeah, we was. She was just looking for her phone.
Where you guys headed to then?
We're going back home.
Well, where's home?
Sandusky.
Okay, so you got a ways to go yet. Are you taking the turnpike or are you taking Route 2 all the way?
No, we just going straight
Okay, I
past
got
Barnhart Road and Vermilion.
you. Okay, just wait right here for me. Hey, driver, I'm gonna have you step out. We'll get you identified outside, okay? Is that your license right there?
No, this. Oh yeah, actually it is.
Yeah. Cool. Come on back here, okay?
Okay.
Hey, were you drinking tonight?
I just had a couple shots.
Couple shots. Okay. Hey, do you mind if I pay you down for weapons before we go any further? Just put your hands on the hood of my car while I pay you down. I appreciate you letting me check, man. You said you had a couple shots?
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
Probably like maybe an hour ago.
Hour ago?
Yeah.
You're good to wait in the car.
Huh?
Can you please wait in the car?
Okay.
Thank you. All right. I take it you're the designated driver for all these guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's her birthday. It's my sister's birthday.
Okay, I got you.
That's about it.
Any medications you currently take?
No.
And then any pain anywhere in your body?
No.
Just face me and release your fingers underneath your chin like this, okay? Good. See the tip of my finger here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna move my finger from your left to your right. Just follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. You understand?
Okay.
Have a unit 20 with me, signal 7. I got another vehicle pulling off pretty fast on the highway here.
Wait. Oh, I thought you.
Are you with somebody?
No, I'm not with anybody.
Okay. Hey, stay in the car. Go ahead, Evans. Take a seat back here. I gotta get this thing under control. I said I'm gonna have you take a seat back here. We're gonna do some additional tests like walking and turning and all that kind of stuff. I just gotta see why this lady. Do you know this lady that just showed up?
Oh yeah, that's my cousin.
Okay, yeah. Just slide
right
your feet in. Yep.
1901, check up.
Okay. Yeah, slide your feet in. Just wait right here. So what's going on? Why are you showing up here?
Because I have anxiety. I can't sit here with the police behind me, and I need to get out. I need to get
That's
some
crazy. I got anxiety too with people just slamming on their brakes and showing up to my traffic stops. Are you driving this car?
No, I'm not.
You're not?
What's the problem?
What's the problem?
Yes.
Well, yeah, you're not supposed to be out on the highway. Okay, so please return to your vehicle. Okay, yeah, please return to your vehicle.
Okay, I will.
Are you going with her then?
No,
You're free to go if you want to leave.
No, I'm.
All right, just hop in the car then.
What's going on with my back? Why is he be in the back of your car?
Because I believe he's under the influence of alcohol.
Okay.
So please wait in the car.
And what's going to happen?
Get in the car. I'm going to arrest you for obstruction.
I'm not. I'm asking. I'm going to get in. No, sir.
You're under arrest.
Sir, I'm going to get in the car.
Ma'am, get in the car.
No, sir. Listen to me. I just wanted to know what was going on. I got out the car.
Get over there.
Listen to
Turn around,
me.
put your hands behind your back.
Sir, can you please put them in the front because I have
No.
anxiety.
What?
It's just my birthday.
Yeah, get in the car. You're going to be under arrest too. I got plenty of handcuffs, okay?
Hold on, wait. I know my mother.
Michaela, get in the car.
Man, get in the car. You'll be placed under arrest for obstruction. I will bring you all to jail.
Michaela, go. Sir,
Yeah.
can you
I'm in the car.
talk to me real quick?
Huh?
Can you?
Yeah, I'll
I'm
let you
not-
sit in the back with your friend, okay?
No, that's my brother.
Okay.
Listen, I just got out the car
Here,
because
face that car. Look, you're clearly intoxicated.
No.
I can't have you walking on a highway.
I wasn't. I came over here to the guardrail because I wanted to talk to you.
Okay, well, I'm telling you to get in the car, so go ahead, come on over here.
Deja, call Javier now. Sir, can I have a? Can I?
Right.
What's going on?
Have a seat right here. Yeah, she's under arrest for obstruction.
What
Have a
did
seat
she
in the
do?
car.
No.
She got out of the car and refused to get in.
No, I didn't refuse, sir.
Okay, we're going to be multiple 73 subjects for obstruction. Have a seat in the car.
Sir,
What happened?
can I please talk to you?
No, sit in the car.
I really
we're
haven't.
gonna,
No,
do you want to go to jail tonight?
No, I
Destiny,
really have.
just
Get in the
sit down,
car.
Destiny.
I need to talk to you.
You're going to jail. Get in the
No.
car.
Please
Destiny,
talk to me.
Destiny, just sit down, Destiny. Just sit down. Just be quiet and sit.
I can't. I have anxiety. Please.
Hey,
Yo.
you wanna get out and get in the driver's seat. Is that cool?
You got a license, yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. No, get back in the car.
Okay. I ain't got nothing on me.
Let me ask
Okay.
you.
Can I talk to you?
No, shut
No,
up,
get in the
Michaela.
car. I got a partner coming here. You can talk to my partner.
Can I get a
Okay,
driver's
you're
Just sit in the car.
you're scary, but you're doing all this and that.
Can I get
What's
a driver's
up?
seat, Michaela?
All right, get over here.
Oh my
Get
God,
over here.
Michaela.
What did I
You
do?
just made a fist. Get out of here.
No, I didn't. I
Drop
was.
your phone. I've told you several times to get over here.
Jason, get my
She's
phone.
going to jail.
It's in the car. It's in the. What did I do? I didn't do nothing to y'all. I
Use
was,
your cuffs. I'm gonna have you
I
take her
was
in.
cuffing my phone.
Got her arms.
Jason, get my phone in the grass. You quiet? I didn't do nothing.
Okay.
What did I do?
Nah, we got multiple. This party here just showed up.
I didn't do nothing.
Keep this lady out of here. I don't know where she just showed up from.
We're involved in this stuff. Go.
Yeah, get out of here.
What am I getting arrested for?
Obstruction. Here,
Excuse me?
step on out.
Excuse me.
Yeah, turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for drinking and driving. We're gonna offer you a breath test, okay?
Okay.
You've been by far the most compliant guy here.
Can I just talk to somebody in the car really quick?
Huh?
Can I just say something to somebody in the car really quick?
Come back here, okay?
You can leave me handcuffed.
Yeah,
I promise
no,
you.
come on over here. I'll let people come. Wait here.
Okay, I just,
You have anything on your person I gotta know
I don't
about
have
real quick?
anything
I'm gonna
on me.
advise you your
Oh,
right
I
to
just
direct
have
to remain silent. Get your Carmex here.
Excuse me, sir. What
No,
did
I'm
I
not
do
talking
to
to
you?
you. I'm not talking to
Michaela,
you.
you need to be quiet. For real, just be quiet. Like, we don't have, just be quiet. For real. Can I just say something to somebody in the car?
Who do you want to? Which one do you want to talk to?
Jaquay.
Who's Jaquet?
She should be behind the passenger.
Okay, well
Can
everybody.
you just drive my car for me?
If she's sober, I'll let her.
Oh, can I talk to her?
Now sit right here. I'll
Oh,
bring her
okay.
back to you.
Okay.
Officer,
Yes.
is it okay if you can knock my window,
No, not right now, guys. We're on the highway.
Okay.
please? No. What?
Hey, I want you to investigate who's driving this front car. They rolled up. I believe everybody here is intoxicated. Is she the driver of that car?
I believe so.
We'll double check. I saw
She
the
was-
white tank top.
You didn't see me get out my car.
1901, 1593, check up.
Are you sober and you got a valid license? You able to pick up these ladies and drive most of them home?
What is going on?
We got 3 people under arrest for obstruction, 1 guy under arrest for drinking and driving.
Am I able to get out and talk to them?
Wait here, we'll come and get you. Okay.
Okay. I need to speak
I don't even have anybody identified yet.
I'm the licensed driver, so I came. I started walking this way, and they both came to me like I was the problem. I was just coming to check and see what was going on because Michaela, my cousin, called me and said that you guys were detaining her. So I was just coming to check and see what the was the problem because I'm the licensed driver. She's a licensed driver, but she's driving that car.
You want to take a breath test right now?
Huh?
You want to take a breath test right now? I can offer you one right now. We still got to go in and do an official one. It's just like because we didn't have time to do those other tests. So,
Can we do the other test right now?
no, I'll take you. We'll do an official breath test. No, it's all right.
Wait, can you ask Can you get Jaquay for me?
Okay, hold on right here.
Excuse me, sir.
Hold on, I got a lot to do. I'm trying to get us all out of here. So your car is getting towed, but these other ladies are going to be able to ride off with that other car, okay? So anything out of that vehicle,
mine is getting towed?
because you're drinking and driving. That's why we
Okay.
tow cars, okay? But is there anything in the car that reasonable that I can bring with you?
Can you just bring my phone and my vape?
Phone and vape? Yeah, we can do that.